Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's video, I'll try and help you decide which of the two remotes that are available for the DJI Mini 4 Pro is right for you. Because when DJI released this drone, they offered it with two different remotes. The standard remote, which is called the DJI RCN2, or the integrated remote, which is called the DJI RC2. And both of these have advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the standard remote. This unit uses your phone or your tablet as a display device, so you've got to connect it up with a cable. Now the advantage to this one is it's less expensive. It also allows you to use a phone that's got a really bright screen or a really large tablet, so those are the advantages. As far as the DJI RC2, this one comes with an integrated screen, which makes it incredibly simple. You basically charge the device, you boot it up, and you can start flying with it. The downside of this is that it's more expensive. Also, the display is only 700 nits of brightness, and your phone may be up to 1,000 nits of brightness, or you've got a tablet that's even brighter. So lower cost, a lot more flexibility what you can connect. The downside is you've got to download applications, a little more complicated. The positives over here is everything's in the box, but it's a little bit more expensive. So again, the choice is up to you on which of these two works best for your flying needs.